What do you want to try next? You see, this shrimp right here. The shrimp looks very scary.
Oh my god, I am not gonna eat this, bro.
How are you supposed to eat that?
How are you supposed to eat this?
Like you're supposed to bite it in the middle or something?
No.
What?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, no. Let's try the...
Why did we sign up for this?
Wait. Let's try this. What's this? A crab? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's the shrimp. How do people eat this?
Let me show them. Let me grab it by the hair.
Oh my god. I hate things like that. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this looks like a straight on there. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, bro.
Listen, we have to try. We have to try every single one of them, okay?
This is clams, right?
Okay, taste that. I'm gonna taste that.
Okay, let me show them. This.
I choked on my spit. Why? Why would you sit on a chair like that? You're so stupid. Oh my god. That's why you need to sit on a chair like me. Stop wiggling it around and stuff. Come on, man, we have to taste this. Here, you taste this.
I don't understand. That's like the left there, the Allahogi.
You have to taste it. Come on, it might taste like chicken, you don't know. Come on.
It might taste like chicken. I'm not feeling that.
Come on, Ahmed, you try first and then tell me how it is, then I'm gonna try. Come on.
Are you trying to finesse me? No, you trying to finesse me? Nah, we doing this together. We're gonna grab one of the other fork.
Adi,
Let me grab this from the carpet.
Man, what the hell? This one looks good. Try. Oh my god. I don't know this up.
I'm not ready, bro. Only want to say, I want to say, man.
Come on, man. Close your mouth when you're eating it. It's bad.
Ew!
Okay, guys.
That's just.
First thing first.
I'm sorry.
This is the first time trying this. We have never
I don't want to disrespect.
had this before, so we're not trying to disrespect anyone or whoever eats this like for a living. Okay, this is not our taste. Okay, we eat goats. That's what we eat.
Oh God, this I did not.
Okay. Next thing. Okay, let me try since you tried.
That was gross.
It's fair for me.
All right.
Oh my God,
Yeah, you gotta. And you gotta chew it as long as I did. You gotta chew it as long as I did.
Hey, buddy, so
I got you.
I don't know how I'm gonna try.
You got it. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bismillah.
Taste it. Chew it. Use your tongue.
It's not that bad.
You're f***ing disgusting. Are you serious? Not mine. Mine was chewy. What did you have?
The same thing.
No.
It was just
You grabbed me this one then.
No. I gave you cuntada.
Isn't it chewy?
Yeah, it's chewy.
Chewy, right? What do you mean? So it melts in your mouth?
No, I never said it.
So what do you mean?
Look, I'm still chewing it.
Yeah. I don't like that. I hate that.
I don't want to keep chewing it anymore.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It gets disgusting as it goes.
Really, don't say disgusting to people's food, okay? Hey, first, next thing. Let's try this guy we.
Oh my God! No, forget about these guys. There, look at the guy in the bottom. You didn't even see. You didn't even see who's in the bottom. Oh my God.
Oh
God.
my God. أبغى كنفيرية. وأبغى عادية.
Oh God.
منو يا هي؟
No, it's dead. Walkiri. They got boiled, yeah. Man, nigga, RIP. You see, Lafad didn't have to joke.
إلى يكون حريصته.
I'm sorry, brother. We're not supposed to eat you. I don't know who eat you, but not me. Oh my God, I'm like, oh my God. This is how I tax people. Oh, you reckon this is the alien. Watch, okay?
Hey, let's try the shrimp, hey. Let's try the shrimp. Come on. So we're supposed to break it apart.
Yeah, shrimp called sobhia. I understand. Lafaha.
Hey, get your own so you can try it.
I want yours. I don't know why. Okay, this is my shrimp. This is my guy right here.
It's my guy.
Yeah, see my guy.
Hey, this is the sauce. Bro, Suli didn't see it.
Hold on, you got right. Left my. You're not supposed to eat this. Huh? Put it back. Bismillah. Is it nasty?
What the basaska is just too hot. And you just... I'll have you taste it.
Allah bahala rifu, bro. What the fuck is this?
It's the shell, kasar.
I don't want to do this.
Come on, let me do it for you, Hayat.
Oh.
You have to taste it.
This is...
I got hot after.
That's what I said. Every time I get goosebumps.
Like,
that's the head.
From here, yeah? Not all of it. This is the shell. Just a little bit. I'm giving you a little bit. Isku dayeen. How is it?
Not that bad.
We have different tastes. I don't like it.
It's not that bad.
Here, let's get a little Walmart bag instead of that big ass bag. Isku dayeen.
Okay. Nikan nibmale. Jama' look here. You good. Put that nigga down.
Not for me. Hayakan, what is it?
This is the
Lobster?
lobster. No.
Yeah, it's a lobster.
Yeah, this is the lobsters.
Yeah.
How you eating?
Suk. We have to not do, like this. Oh no, the tail come out of it, yeah. Wait. I'm doing...
Why do we research?
Bro.
Why do we research?
I don't know, man.
I'm about to look it up real quick.
No. I'll use my...
No, you don't break it.
Yeah, you do break it to eat it. You have to break it. Bro, I got kujala, bro. Say, I got wajraya. Ahmed, you're the man, Adi. Come on, come here. Do this, bro.
I'm the man?
Yeah.
I'm the man.
You're the
I'm
man.
the man.
Come on.
Wait. Oh my god. Nikan ukwad bro. Don't do this to me.
Come on. Crack it. Come on. Oh, that's what you're supposed to eat. Hey, you try it. Yeah.
You're lying.
Yeah.
We killed this guy for this just bite?
I think you can eat it inside too. I'm not.
No, don't touch that.
Just eat that part.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Come on, that might be good. Hey, how does it taste?
He's a good guy. He's best guy said, but no, that's best too much though.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Hey, can I jump in there? When I touch the legs. When I touch the legs,
I got you. I conquered this fear already.
Okay. I think you're supposed to consulti.
Are you sure? Ha. Fairies number right here. This is chest. You have to pull it out. Okay.
Hey.
Forget to you scoop this much.
Oh,
Like,
okay. This looks like chicken.
yeah, it feels like chicken.
Okay. The bag?
The bag.
Where's the bag?
It's right here. Just use this one. No good?
I don't like it. So, what's next? The black ones.
Oh, the black clams. Oysters. One are oysters and one is clams. So these must be the oysters. Oh my god! I'm not doing this.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Hey, Allah, what the hell is that dark spot?
Waharki.
It's not hot. Come on.
Trying to make it disgusting.
No. Hey, you get one, I'll get one. We're gonna do it on a count of 3. Oh my god.
Oh, touch it. I'm not going. I'm not doing this. I'm scared. What is that? What is that?
Penis?
What is that? What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
What is this? Does anybody know?
This one has it.
What is this little black thing sticking out?
Probably the tongue. Oh, it's the tongue. I'm not eating no tongue. I'm sorry. No. But we have to try it though. No, come on. We have to try it.
Look at this one.
Ready? Let's try it. No, we have to try the...
Let's try this one. Let's share this one.
No, we're not sharing anything. Get your own.
Get that, no.
No, come on.
Bro, wallahi billah, this is what I hate about you.
1, 2, 3. It tastes like this one.
Yeah, it's the same. Eagle.
Have you tried it? What is that? What is that?
What is this?
I think it's the head of that guy right there.
No, this guy, his head is right here. His eyes are right there. This is like a tail.
You think so?
I'm not touching this nigga.
I'm not touching that nigga too.
This guy's supposed to be.
I'm not touching that guy. Hey, try the egg. I think you like eggs, anyways.
Okay, I'll try the egg. The egg shouldn't be that bad.
Hope not.
Yep, the egg is the only good thing in here.
So I think.
Try it?
Sure.
It's decent.
Potatoes.
We know what potatoes taste like.
Let's still try it because we have to try everything.
Oh, we didn't try these guys.
We did.
Oh, we did.
We did. Sweet banana.
I think I judged this lobster too early. I'm gonna try.
Don't try the potatoes. This is a plain potato. I really like the corn. Hey, you don't like it?
I don't know why people do this to themselves.
Hey, bring the guy here. We're gonna bring the guy here.
Next and final guy that we gotta try
Take this to that side.
is the big king. The king crab. I don't know if that's what they're called.
Here, take this tray back. How you gonna? Oh my god. The whole...
Don't even look, girl. This is his dignity inside. We just looked at this man's heart.
We're gonna eat his heart. Come on.
Are you guys ready to see what's inside?
Oh my god.
Right there in the middle.
What is this? Stinty Sawai. That's hair. Oh.
That's hair?
That's hair. I know how to eat these.
How?
So these ones, I think you break off the legs, right?
Okay.
Just like that.
Mm.
Imagine if this poked you.
That did poke me.
I mean, killed you, nigga, in real life.
It poked me though.
And then you see this? This is the food. So, think you break it?
That's not how you break it. Oh, that's how you break it, yeah.
Think.
I'm gonna get messy with this.
Go ahead, girl, get messy. You ready? Let's try this. This is the king crab. It might not be so bad. Figured out how to eat it, but so let's see.
I think you're supposed to dip it in.
Yeah, you dip it in though.
I had some lean here, but I didn't use
Get
it.
something. It's not that. It's alright.
It's alright.
The lean helped out.
Again.
I'm not gonna try it again, but it's
Yeah.
alright. That's it for this guy. Look at this guy, he said.
It's his,
Sorry.
It's his, what is meow?
This is his head.